we are going to start. You are going to see some frequent uploads from me. Okay, so today I'm going to show something, something, a trick, or yes, a trick in Word document. Okay, and this trick will help you in doing your assignments, especially when you are given word limits, then character limits, and other stuff. Okay, so make sure you stick to the video till it ends. And before you even start with the video, I will encourage you to subscribe to my channel. YouTube, jump into YouTube and search for Janad Graphics. Search for Janad Graphics. Okay, so right now, Janad Graphics, though we bear the name graphics, we do not only do graphics or graphic design related videos. Now we are expanding our boundaries. Okay, sorry, we are expanding our boundaries to do more educative videos. So it can be graphic design, it can be any other thing. Okay, so there are a lot of videos here. Um, but then wait, where have you been? Okay, there are a lot of videos here. Where have you been? Why have you still not subscribed? Subscribe and scroll through. I'm sure you find a video which will be helpful to you. You can see here how to monetize your personal Facebook account. Okay, how to convert it to a page and later be able to monetize and other. Do this editing before we start. Well, why is it not showing? Okay, so let me uncheck page number, word count, and character count. Okay, you can also uncheck this spelling and grammar checks. Okay, now you can see from down here there are no page number, word counts, and character counts showing here. Sometimes in these situations, when you are given a word limit or character limit, you find it very difficult to know the number of word limits. Sometimes you'd have to come to, I think, margins, not margins. Let me come to review. Okay, I have to come to review to be able to get the word count. Okay, so from here you'll be given the word count at 302, character counts with space, and character counts without space, paragraph, then number of lines. Okay, sometimes how to navigate your way to this end or this part is very confusing because with a page number, I think insert. Yes, you have to come to insert before you can see page number over here, and this sometimes is not the best. Okay, but then what I'm going to show you, you see this bar down here, the one with recovered here on it with focus and other stuff. So you just come there, you right click. Okay. So initially, if you open your word and it's this way without word count, without page number and stuff here. Initially, when you right click on the bar and this menu opens, this page number would be unchecked. So you'd have to click on it to check it. Okay. You come to the word count, you do same. Character count, you do same. With the spelling and grammar check, I know sometimes you type something and this if this function is on or this is on or checked, it will automatically prompt you that you've made a wrong spelling for you to correct it. But then if it's on check, you find out that you've typed some wrong words in the write up, the whole write up, and you wouldn't notice it until someone reads through or you get the time to read through. Okay, so you can also check that one. Okay, and you can observe that after checking. Okay, let me uncheck this. Observe from this side that when you check word count, it counts. So you can see 302. If you check character counts, it appears here 1901 words. Okay, so this is just a short trick in Word that I would want to show you. If this video is helpful to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, if you also have anything that you would want me to do a video on, maybe you can also comment so I see how to go about it. Okay, so you'll be seeing more videos as I said, but then until then you have to take care of yourself. Make sure you are in good, you have good health, so you can witness my next video. Okay, so take care, and until then, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.